Hey everyone, and welcome to this explainer. I am absolutely thrilled you're tuning in today because we're tackling a massive, incredibly common digital headache. The goal for today, we are finally going to get a reliable, truly free VPN up and running on your Windows computer without any of the usual stress. Okay, let's just dive right into it.
You know what's incredibly frustrating? There's this huge double standard when it comes to VPNs. On your phone, getting a free VPN is an absolute breeze, right? You hit the App Store, you tap a button, and boom, you're instantly secure and anonymous. But on a PC or a laptop, totally different ballgame. It feels like an absolute chore. You're constantly dodging confusing options, overly complex setups, and worst of all, those sneaky hidden paywalls. Why on earth is finding a safe, unsponsored VPN for a Windows laptop so incredibly difficult? Well, today, we're going to fix exactly that.
So here's our game plan for today. We're going to cover the PC VPN dilemma and the solution, walk through the download and installation guide, create a free account, connect and verify, and wrap up with customizing your settings. Let's get to it.
All right, part one, the PC VPN dilemma and solution.
Enter Proton VPN. And what's really amazing here is exactly what it promises on the box. It is 100% free, entirely unsponsored, and it actually delivers that one-click mobile app simplicity, but straight to your Windows desktop. Now, to be perfectly clear right up front, this is not a sponsored pitch at all. Based entirely on our source material, this is simply the most straightforward tool out there for PC users right now. The interface looks and acts just like the one on your phone. One button, no nonsense.
Moving on to step 2, the download and installation guide. Okay, let's get our hands dirty and start from square one. Open up whatever web browser you prefer and just search for Proton VPN. You're going to want to click on that very first official link that pops up in the results. Once you're on their site, finding the file is a piece of cake. Just look for that main download button. Whether you're running Windows 10 or Windows 11, simply select your version. It's a super lightweight installer, so honestly, it should only take a few seconds to grab.
Hold up, pause right here for a second. As you run that installer and click Next, you really need to pay attention. This is a massive pro tip if you want to keep your PC lean and fast. During the installation, you're going to see 3 additional boxes automatically checked by default. Those are for extra software bundled by the company. Uncheck all 3 of those boxes immediately. We literally only want the main VPN application, nothing else. Once they're safely unchecked, go ahead and hit Install.
All right, part 3, creating a free account.
So after the install finishes, the app will actually boot up all on its own. But we need an account to actually start the engine. First, click on Create Account. Now here is something you absolutely must watch out for. They heavily design the pricing page to push you toward paid tiers. They're going to ask for money. Do not panic and definitely do not pay. Look really closely in the corner and you'll spot a tiny text link that says sign up for free. Click that. Next, just punch in your Gmail address. And hey, type this in really carefully, okay? Because if there's a typo, your one-time password, your OTP, won't arrive and you're going to be stuck. Once that OTP hits your inbox, type it in, set a nice strong password, and make sure you save both of them.
Step 4, connecting and verifying. Okay, the moment of truth. We've got the software, we've got the account, now let's actually make the magic happen. Head back over to the Proton VPN app that's running on your desktop. Punch in that email and the brand new password you just made. Click Sign In. And this brilliantly shows off that simplicity we were talking about earlier. You are going to see one giant, incredibly satisfying Connect button, just like the ones on a phone app. Smash that button. Within a few seconds, you'll actually notice your PC's Wi-Fi symbol at the bottom of your screen briefly change as it locks in that secure, encrypted connection.
But hey, we don't just take their word for it, right? We need to verify. Let's run the ultimate test to make sure this is actually working properly. Open up a brand new tab in Google, type in My IP, and hit Enter. What you're going to see is undeniable proof of your success. Your IP address is going to look completely different from your actual home network, and your location will show up as somewhere entirely new. For instance, in our source example, the connection was routed all the way to Romania. Just like that, your entire digital footprint has been successfully relocated.
Finally, Section 5, customizing your VPN settings.
So you're connected, which is awesome. But let's take this one step further to give you total customized mastery over your machine. Here is a crucial final pro tip. We really want to maintain absolute control over our PC's performance. By default, a lot of VPNs try to run the exact millisecond you turn on your computer. We don't want that unless we specifically ask for it, right? So inside the Proton VPN app, navigate over to the Settings menu. You're looking for 2 specific toggles, Auto Start and Auto Connect. Turn both of those off.
This makes sure the VPN only uses system resources when you manually open it and hit connect. Once you've toggled them off, hit apply. You are firmly back in the driver's seat.
And just like that, you've completely conquered the PC VPN dilemma. Now that your Windows machine is fully secure, your setup is perfectly optimized for peak performance without any annoying bloatware, and your true physical location is completely hidden behind a massive encrypted wall, what part of the internet are you going to safely explore first? Seriously, think about the digital freedom you just unlocked today. Thanks so much for joining me on this explainer. I really hope this empowers you to browse with total confidence. Stay safe out there.